Well, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Kepada mereka yang mungkin belum kenal aku lagi atau tak kenal aku, nama aku Khalid Effendi and this is my channel. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, okay? Anyways, kalau korang dah tengok dekat dalam aku punya thumbnail ataupun dekat tajuk video aku kali ni, kita akan buat unboxing my very first official camera that I will be using, which is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. So sedikit sejarah lah berkenaan dengan Canon PowerShot G7X ni. Tak silap aku, the first one G7X was out in 2014, kalau tak silap aku, February 2014. Lepas tu in 2016, tak silap aku, Mark II was released, and then September 2019 maybe, the Mark III series was released. So aku pertama kali melihat ataupun berkenalan dengan PowerShot G7X ini adalah pada tahun 2014, yang mana time tu banyak YouTuber locally and as well as internationally menggunakan G7X dan orang kata this is one of the best cameras. Tapi waktu tu memang aku tak mampulah nak beli. Sampailah 6 tahun kemudian, up to now, sampai dah keluar G7X Mark III ni, aku finally got the chance to have my own camera. So sebelum ni, for the past 10 years, yes, tahun ni adalah tahun ke-10 aku berada di alam YouTube ini. Walaupun dia kejap ada, kejap tak ada, kejap ada, kejap tak ada, macam biskut. But it has been 10 years, and for the past 10 years I have been using my phones, whatever phone that I was using at that time, to record my videos. And adalah at one point aku guna DJI Osmo Pocket and all. But I think it is better to have, personally lah, aku tak tahu lah orang lain kan, but personally aku rasa it's always better to have a dedicated camera or a dedicated device for you to record yourself or your video. Sebabnya bila kau menggunakan specific device for you to record yourself, at least it gives your other device an opportunity to do something else. At least waktu kau record, korang boleh cari information ke, or you know, do other things with your phone lah. For example, macam aku record video pakai telefon, so kalau since aku kan menggunakan kamera, I have opportunity to do something else with my phone. Itu adalah antara sebab kenapa aku rasa aku perlu ada kamera aku sendiri. Dan I think it's high time lah kan. It's 10 years already aku duk guna handphone je. So I think it's time for me to give myself a 10-year anniversary gift for myself, which is this. Aku tak nak bersembang panjang lagi. Aku rasa dah cukup banyak aku cakap. So let's get to the chase and let's unbox this thing. So basically dekat luar dia, depan dia is just basic lah, gambar the device, nama dia kan, benda semua. Kat tepi ni is the gambar of the product and the nama. Dekat sini dia ada color of your camera. Aku nak color silver sebenarnya, tapi dekat kedai tu tak ada color silver, dia ada color hitam, dan aku ni bukanlah jenis yang penyabar sangat, so aku ambil je hitam. And dekat belakang ni ada all the information lah, all dia punya, not really specs, but all the features that's available on this camera. Macam DigiC 8, dia menggunakan the new technology of DigiC 8 instead of DigiC 7 for Mark II, and then 1.0 Type C MOS lah, 20.1 megapixel, and then dia bagi tahu size LCD screen dia, dia bagi tahu dia boleh ambil 4K resolution video, and then dia juga boleh ada Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So kita dah tengok kat luar dia, mari kita buka. Jeng jeng jeng. So as you open the box, what you're gonna see adalah warranty card, guidebook, getting started, of which aku tak tahu siapa yang akan baca. Aku tak baca because nowadays you can find everything that you need about whatever on YouTube. So you just Google how to use the camera on YouTube and you will find the information there. Selain daripada tu, you guys dapat wire yang akan disambungkan dengan charger. Yep, this is the charger. This is the cable, cucuk kat plug, and you charge your battery lah. Strap, aku tak tahu aku pakai strap ni ke tak, mungkin. And let's get to the crown jewel of the thing, which is This is it, guys. This is it. This is the Canon G7X Mark III. This is depan dia, ni ikan hitam. This is atas dia, tepi dia, buntut dia, and belakang dia. So, among the reason why a lot of YouTubers suka the G7X series, sama ada Mark II ataupun Mark III, is because of this. Dia punya screen ni boleh flip and it's a touch screen. So when you do your vlog, you can actually see yourself on the screen rather than kalau pakai yang tak boleh flip punya, korang macam aku masuk frame ke tak masuk frame, and so on and so forth lah. So that's among the features that a lot of YouTubers suka, and ramai kata dia punya image stabilization is good. So because when we vlog, kita pegang macam ni, kita berjalan, so benda tu bergerak-gerak. So bila image stabilization dia bagus, so tak bergoyang sangat lah. Of which nanti kita akan explore sendiri how good is the image stabilization. Nanti korang tengoklah sendiri. And also aku suka because you can add external microphone kat tepi tu, so that you'll have a better audio lah. And also the Bluetooth Wi-Fi connectivity. So bila korang ambil gambar, tiba-tiba ambil gambar ni cantik kan, daripada pakai telefon, so you nak transfer gambar terus, tak payahlah pergi komputer ke apa, you can just transfer it from the camera to your phone. Yes, aku tak berapa pandai sangat pasal kamera, so all I know and all I see the review is it takes good video, it takes up to 4K, and kalau ambil gambar pun lawa. From the reviews that I see, it's good, and a lot of YouTubers pakai benda ni, so I believe that this is good. Of which aku akan belajar still how to fully utilize all the features that's available on this. Dia punya aperture boleh ubah ke apa ke kan, the manual mode of this kalau aku nak ambil gambar. So of which I will learn, so at least I can learn something new. And yeah, so this is how it looks like bila dia dah mengeluarkan dia punya lens. So bila korang tutup, so it is very easy, it's very compact, boleh masuk pocket. So bila-bila korang travel ke apa ke, keluarkan and just terus shoot, rather than nak keluar, nak set up, nak benda semua. So it's kind of difficult. So this is just, nama pun point and shoot camera, so it lives up to its name. So I am really happy and thankful that to have this. Oh, lagi satu, dia punya grip kat sini is so comfortable. Korang boleh pegang kat sini kan. So bila pegang, it feels like it fits your hand. So yeah. So this is yeah, for someone who has never used an actual camera to record my vlog, this is an achievement lah of some sort. So good job. So anyways, aku rasa itu je. Nanti I will aku akan do more videos on this, and we'll see how the quality goes lah, sebab aku nak kena charge battery dia dulu, benda semua, or probably aku akan dapatkan extra battery, takut tak tahan lama kan. And yeah, so hopefully we'll see more videos coming from me. And kepada mereka, like I said, yang telah subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.